By the end of this video, you're gonna know how to plan the cheapest trip possible to Disney World. With just a little bit of planning, some tips you never thought of, you can save big on your next Disney World vacation. In the past 7 years, I've been to Disney World thousands of times. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you everything you need to know about how to save the most. But first, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you're excited to go to Disney, I upload all of the time about the latest Disney news, so you won't want to miss one of my videos. To kick this off, here are 3 things you need to know about to save big. You need to know that you can pay over time with just a small deposit. You can put down a deposit of just $200 to secure your Disney vacation package. Then you can make payments at your convenience. This is for packages that include resort and park day tickets. You can pay when you want, as much as you want, but your visit must be paid in full 30 days before your check-in date. I know so many families that think a Disney World vacation is out of reach, but Disney makes it easy for us. This is a fantastic way to budget and make paying for your trip more manageable and put it in the realm of possibility. The second thing that you need to know about is the Disney Chase Visa card. This tool was vital to us taking our first Disney family vacation back in 2017. Disney is partnered with Chase, and when you qualify for a Disney Chase Visa, you get a lot of amazing perks. Depending on the promotion they're running when you sign up and apply, you can get a statement credit and cash back when you meet certain requirements. When you charge your Disney vacation on the Disney Chase Visa on most packages, it's a 0% interest as long as you pay off the trip within 6 months. One of the biggest perks, in my opinion, is you earn those points. On every single dollar that you spend, whether it's Disney related or not, you're earning points to spend at Disney. So every time you go to the grocery store, buy gas, eat out, buy clothes, whatever it is you're spending your money on, you're earning points on it as long as you're using the Disney Chase Visa card. Then you can redeem those points on things like Disney flights, resorts, food, and merchandise. We earn anywhere from $1,200 to $1,500 a year to spend at Disney. You also get some awesome discounts just for having the card. You get a 10% discount off merchandise and 10% off on food at most dining locations across property. This is a fantastic way to save money, and those points seriously add up. Again, this is a credit card, so you must qualify. The third thing that I want you to know about is buying gift cards. If you're paying attention, there are so many different retailers that offer discounts on Disney gift cards. For example, you can purchase a Disney gift card at Target and pay with your Target Red card for a 5% discount. Also, retailers like Costco, Sam's Club, Kroger's will have a 3 to 5% discount on Disney gift cards. Sometimes Best Buy will even have a special for a $50 gift card for $45. These gift cards can be used to pay for almost everything on your Disney vacations, including Genie Plus, food, merchandise. Disney even has a dedicated Disney gift card website where you can register all of your gift cards. That way you can keep just one gift card on you and keep transferring money to that gift card so you don't have to keep up with so many. Because we all know there is so much stuff to keep up with at Disney, we definitely don't need one more. But that's not all you're gonna want to think about when you're trying to save money on your Disney vacation. Consider packing your own food. I know you're on vacation, nobody wants to prepare or cook food, but it could save you so much money if you even do it for a couple of days. You are allowed to bring outside food into the parks as long as you don't bring in any glass containers except for baby food jars. Grabbing subs from Publix or making sandwiches ahead of time, even grabbing some pre-packaged fruit from the grocery store is going to save you so much money on the price of food inside the park. Not to mention you can just stop at a quiet place inside the park anywhere you want to and have lunch. My favorite spot is a picnic on the Hub Green staring at Cinderella's castle. No waiting in lines or pushing through a crowd with a loaded tray of food is definitely a bonus. And make sure you're bringing in your own water bottles as well. Water at the park is free everywhere. All you have to do is walk up to the mobile order pickup line and ask for water. They will give you as much water as you want for free, and this saves you paying $4 for a bottle of water. They won't fill your water bottles up for you, but they'll give you the water and you can fill them up yourself. You can also look for filtered water stations around the park. If you've heard that Florida water tastes bad or you just hate the taste of water, consider bringing in some water water enhancement mix, like liquid IV packets that you can buy ahead of time. You get extra hydration and it masks the flavor. Although we drink the Florida water all the time and it doesn't really bother us. There are 2 additional things that you need to know how to do to save big on your next Disney vacation. The last one by far is the most important if you want to save the most money. You can save so much money on snacks if you buy a popcorn bucket. I know this one sounds a little far-fetched, but hear me out. Popcorn buckets range from $13 for a basic and up to $18 to $25 for a premium themed popcorn bucket. Premier buckets are the ones that are shaped like Figment or a Mickey Mouse popcorn bucket. Once you have the popcorn bucket, you can get it refilled for $2.25 at the time of filming this video. And you can refill it as many times you want to for as many days as you want to. You can also bring your popcorn bucket back with you anytime. So popcorn buckets that you've bought in years gone by, you can bring those back to the park with you on your next vacation. You can even take these popcorn buckets with you to the AMC movie theater over in Disney Springs, and they will refill them for $2.25 as well. And we all know what the cost of popcorn is at a movie these days. I don't know about you, but my family burns a lot of energy at Disney, and that means we eat a lot of food. Having an inexpensive snack is an absolute game changer. Now, the last and most important thing that you want to do is book with a travel agent. I am not a travel agent, but I have friends that are. Now, I am one of those people who like to plan my whole vacation myself. I want to do all the research. I want to look at all of the different rooms. I want to look at the prices and decide what I want for myself. But even though I do all of that, I still book through a travel agent friend, and here's why. They are always watching and checking for deals. Once you book your vacation through them, if there's any promotions that come up that apply to your vacation, they can just apply that discount to your trip. Also, travel agent services are completely free. They make a commission, but it doesn't come from you. They will spend time, talk with you about your budget, and help you find the perfect resort and option for you and your family. They also have a wealth of knowledge about the parks. They can help you plan, and they can also help you pick a time of year that you can save more money. So do yourself a huge favor and reach out to that friend who's a travel agent and support their business and potentially save yourself a lot of money. A couple of quick bonus tips: always look for merch outside of the parks. You can get those bubble wands for about half price at Walmart. Check the local Walmarts, Target, even our Publix and grocery stores have merchandise in them. And you can get a deep discount on those family t-shirts if you just shop around a little bit. Now that you have the ultimate guide to saving the most amount of money in Disney World, you should check out this video to learn how to do absolutely everything you need to know how to do while you're in Disney. I'll tell you how to use the My Disney Experience app, Genie Plus, and so much more. I'll see you over there.